Ya, boleh.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Can someone respond? Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, can someone hear me? Hello, can someone hear me? We'll wait until some students join, okay? I think only you are there, Fatima. You don't have friends? Can everyone see the board? If you all have any doubt, don't chat with the chat with me, co-host. Okay? Don't chat to my other account, Suresh Rimza. That's my account, but if you are chatting that, I can't see. So if anyone have any doubt, text to this. Can you hear me first? Can someone respond? Hello. At least open your on your mic and tell. Uh, I want to make sure that you all can hear me. Can you all hear me? Hello? Can you respond? Can you see the board? Are there many people to the session? Your friends? Can you see the board? Fatima, can you see the board? Okay. You have any your friends to join the session? Only two students here. Okay, send will you? Send them and say you have a free session. If it will be benefit for them. Okay, then shall I start the session? I can only see one student is responding. Fatima Azim, can you hear me? Are you there? At least put a message for me. Okay, then I'll start the meeting. Uh, Fatima Afsal, do you have the tute? Do you have the tute? I have sent it to the group. Just check it. I said it's better if you have printed it, but it's okay. Just have the soft copy. Hello, Amesha, you have any friends to join this meeting? You can text me. Amesha, can you hear me? Okay, then we'll start the meeting. Just refer the tutor, okay? The tutor is in the WhatsApp group. If I ask question, answer me, okay? It's better if you're on the mic. Is it hard? Don't be shy. Okay. Okay, we start the session. Today we are going to learn about data representation and mainly about pie chart. Can you see the board now? Can you see the board now? Is it clear?
Cancer.
Okay. Data representation. Okay. First of all, what is that? Okay. The first question, if we see, they are telling this is a pie chart. Illustrate the information on the types of sports a group of students prefer. Okay. Think this is as a school. Okay. Now the principal is asking, uh, from the grade 10 or grade 11 or from the school, give me the list of students who are willing to participate in a sport or their favorite sport. So each student is giving one sports. For example, student A, B, C. I'm taking only 5 students. So he's choosing football. He's choosing cricket. He's choosing rugby. And one fellow is again a cricket. Last one is football. So each student has a but their opinion, right? Personal opinion. A likes football, B likes cricket, all are like different opinions and different favoritism, correct? So can the principal take a decision? Okay, the upcoming sports week is coming, but event will keep football or cricket or what inter-academic sports will keep. First, he's going to decide with the student who has most number of students who prefer that sports, right? So can the principal say every individual, okay, A football, B cricket, C rugby, like that, he can take a decision? No, right? It's hard, right? For that only, in, these are data, correct? To represent this source, in only we have many methods. In small time, you will learn bar chart, correct? From a bar chart, this is column chart. There are charts like this. Okay. From these charts, they present the data. Then you, by seeing this, you can take a decision. Very easy to understand. Okay, football is this much, cricket is this much, the football is preferred most. We can take a decision, right? So this is bar chart, column chart, and we have pie chart. In grade 11, chapter 16, you will learn something called histogram. So that is a way of representing the data to take a decision. So in grade 11, 10, we are going to learn about pie chart. They will give a pie chart. You must know, after seeing the pie chart, you must know to find the value or the angle. Understood? What is data representation? Presenting a data. Correct? There are methods to present the data. One of the method is pie chart. Correct? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Okay, we'll start with the first question. This is a pie chart illustrate the information of types of sports a group of students preferred. Okay. In a pie chart, what are the two things? If you see a pie chart, this is a pie chart, correct? What are the two things you can see? In a pie chart, however, there will be a number, correct? And angle. It's a circle, right? 360 degrees. So, angle. The two things will be number and angle. If I say in this pie chart, there are total number of 100 students. How many students? So number is 100 students. Angle how much? Obviously 360, correct? Because a full circle is a 360 degrees angle. So can you say 100 students equal 360 degrees? Yes, you can say. So one angle is equal to a number, correct? This total number of 100 students is equal to this 360. So by using these techniques only, we are going to find the angle and number of each and every question they are going to ask in the exam. Okay. What are the two things then? Angle and number. This both should be equal. So you are going to make a brick. When you see a pie chart question, you should remember the brick. Angle equal number. Okay. If you read the first question, 440 students like football. Find the number of students who like cricket. Okay. Football, how many students? 440 students. Correct. For football, 440 students. So in a brick, after seeing this question, what should you remember? The brick. In the brick, what is important? You should write an angle and a number. Correct. You have a number. Football. Football's value is 440. This is the number. So what is the angle? If you see the question number 1, the above for football, the blue color one, they have put 220 degrees. So for the brick, angle equal number, we can say angle is 220 degrees equal 440. Correct. So this is the brick, correct? By using this one brick, we can solve every question. You all understood how did I get this brick? Can someone respond? Did you all understand how did I get this brick?
Yes,
Brick? How to get this brick? And this angle and number should be equal. So 220 degrees is equal to 440 students of this pie chart. Correct? By using this, what is the
answer me this question. Answer me this question. இவன் போய் அவன்ட
லைன்ல போகுது.
hello?
Hello.
Who is this? Hello, what you are telling? You ask question, right? Hello? Hello? Someone asked me a question, right? Okay. So, what are the two requirements? Angle and number. You should make the brick. So, this is the brick, correct? So, the first question they are asking is, find the, wait a minute. Find the number of students who like cricket. Correct? So, if you see the pie chart.
In the pie chart.
Hello, can you mute? Okay. So this is 220 degrees, which is football. So if you see, this is 60 degrees cricket. This is basketball. You should find. This is rugby. So to find cricket, you have the angle, which is 60 degrees. Correct? This is the angle. So what should you find? You should find the number. The number is equal to, you don't know, x. That's all you should find. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, wait. So the angle is 60. So number is xy. You don't know, that all you should find. So what is the brick here? 220 degrees equal 440. Correct? So angle number, correct? Angle number. Below this angle itself, you should put the angle, which is 220. And here below the number itself, this 440. Main thing you form was the brick, and by the brick you are putting here, correct? And what is the, how to solve this? You should make the x alone. To make the x alone, you should send this 440 that side. So x will be 60 over 220. This 400, if it go this side, multiply by 440. Now if you solve this, you will get 120 students. Understood how we got the answer? Main thing you want to form is the brick. After the brick, you should write angle equal number. After whatever the angle they have given or number they have given, you should write. What should you find? Number. For that you don't know. Unknown term is x, and below this even you should put 2. So if you solve the answer, if you solve it, you'll get the answer. Understood? Hello? Can someone reply?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you see the second question, they are telling 100 students like basketball. Find the angle represent basketball. So this part, that part you should find, correct? This basketball part you should correct. How many students? 100 students. 100 students. Okay. For now, I'll erase this. So what's the basketball equal number equal angle. Angle equal number. Whatever. First we write angle equal number. You know the angle? No, that only they said to find. X equal. What is the number? 100 students they gave. Correct? After 100 students, what should you do? You have the big brick, right? Brick. Angle equal number. This is 220 degrees equal 440. No, you should put the brick down. So for angle, you should not get confused and put the wrong numbers here. Nicely check. Angle means below angle itself. You should write the value they are given in the brick. 220 over 440. Now what should you do? Just solve it. So x equal 100 over 440 into 220. Now if you solve this, 1, 2, you will get 50 degrees. So basketball is 50 degrees. Understood? Understood how we got this answer? Okay.
Yes.
Third requirement. So in a pie, these type of pie chart question in oral exam, they can ask part 1, question 3, 4, 5 in that only. Mostly they want to ask the full pie chart question like this, 10 marks. Because nowadays the trend is they shuffle the important stuff like data representation you have in grade 11, right? Histogram, cumulative frequency. With that, they will shuffle with the pie chart. Including 3, all the syllabus to check your knowledge, including that 3 headings, they will make a different type of question to check your knowledge. Sometimes they can ask a full question, 10-mark question. Mostly if they ask, they'll ask a pie chart question, 5 marks. Last oral exam, they didn't ask. So this time it's most probably they can ask. Okay. Third question is find the angle represent rugby. Angle of rugby. To find this correct angle, how many degrees? You can use the brick here. Can you use the brick here? Can someone reply? Can you use the brick here? No. Why? Why we can't use? Because in the first question, you had the angle of football, correct? And you, I mean, you had the angle of 60 cricket, which is 60 degrees, and you found the number. So in this angle or number, you should have at least one, correct, to find the other thing. In first question, you had the 60 degrees angle of cricket, that's why you found the number. Second question, you had the number of basketball, you found the angle. Third question, they are just telling to find the angle, but they have not given the number. So how to find this? So you know, this pie chart is a circle, then 360 degrees. That is equal to basket plus football plus cricket plus rugby. So if you add this everything, I mean every angle of this, you'll get the answer at 360. Correct? For pie chart, 360 degrees. For basketball, we found 50 degrees. For football, we have 220 degrees. For cricket, we have 60 degrees. For rugby, we should find, that's the question. So rugby. So in this, you can see you don't have the number, so you can't use the obviously the brick. So by this, you can say if you add this everything and bring to other side and minus with this 360, you will get the angle of rugby. Right? So we'll see 360 degrees equal 50 plus 220 is 270. 270 plus 60 is 330. 330 degrees plus rugby equal 360. So if you make to the other side, minus 330. 330 equal rugby. So what is the angle of rugby? 330 degrees. Understood? Understood? Hello? Understood how we got this angle of rugby? This is a pie chart which is equal to 360 degrees. If you add this every spots, you will get 360 degrees. You have everything except this rugby. So if you add this and send to the other side, and if you minus it, you'll get the rugby. 30 degrees. Understood? Hello? Did you understand? So in this question, are you using the brick? No, right? You are not using the brick. By using the brick, we can't find this because in the brick, you need at least an angle or a number to find the unknown term. I hope you had copied this. If you want to screenshot this, I'm going to erase. Okay. So we read the fourth question. Find the number of students who like rugby. Now you the angle of rugby, correct? Rugby's angle is 30 degrees, correct? Now you have in the angle and number of rugby, you have the angle. So other unknown term number you can find, right? By using the brick, correct? So to find the number, rugby equal angle is number, correct? So angle you have 30, number you should find x. Below it, if you put the brick profile, 220 here 440. Now it's just to solve it. So x equal 30 over 220. To send this 40 other side, multiply by 440. 1, 2. So the number is 60 students. Understood this? Understood? Same thing. If you know to make the brick, it's easy to solve every question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why aren't other students responding? Hello? I said to message the co-host. Can you see the board now?
Can see.
Okay. It's not blurred, no?
Yeah,
Is it?
sir.
Okay, wait. Okay. Now we'll see the fifth question. If 60 students change their favorite sport to cricket from football. So in football, there were 440 students, correct? Football, 140 students. Correct. From this, they are changed into cricket. They are changed into cricket. So minus 60. Correct. From this, from cricket, 60 is going. 60 students is going. So, will the what's the current students of cricket? What's the current students of cricket? Hello? What's the current students of cricket?
60.
60. Not 60 degrees. Students.
120.
120. So, yeah, 120. Right? So 120. Now it is increasing by 60. Correct? Because from football, 60 students are going to cricket. So from football, it will reduce 60 and cricket, it will increase 60. Right? So the current of football is 440 minus 60, which is 380 students. For cricket, it was 120 students. Before that, wait, let me confirm. Yes, 120 students. From this, if 60 goes, the total number of students of cricket is 180 students. Correct? So they are telling, so you have the number of cricket, you have the number. Okay? What should you find? For angle only, you should find. So same thing. Cricket equals 1 angle equal number. Angle only you should find, that is x. Number you have is 180 students. If you put the same thing, 220 degrees over 440. Now, if you solve this, you get the answer. 180 over 440 into 220. The number of students is, if you solve, here 1, here 2, 90 students. 90 degrees, sorry. Angle, no? 90 degrees. Understood? How we got? In this case, what they done? They left from football to cricket. Only they changed. Did he leave permanently from football and went away? No, right? He went to cricket. If in case the student of 60 students left this football and went away. So after this, can we use this brick? We can't. Why? Because the total number is changing, right? It from football to cricket or cricket to somewhere also, it will be inside the pie chart. The number won't change. They are just changing the category only. The total won't change, correct? But if they leave from permanently, the total will change. So the total, so to make a new pie, so you should make a new bridge. Angle equal number. To make the new bridge, you can use the total. For that, you should current total was, I mean, before total was, what was the before total? If you see here, 440 students, here 120. To find the before total, 440, 120. From basketball, there were 100 students. For here, you got 50, right? So students were exactly 100. So if you add this, 760 students were the total. From this, 100 students left. If 100 students leave, 700 students are remaining. So this 700 is equal to, for the new brick, angle equal number, we have 700 students. This is full, right? A full pie chart means 360. So 360 equal 700. Correct? I think another 120 is coming. This rugby is how many degrees? My mistake, I didn't write. Can someone tell me the degrees of basketball? Can someone tell me the degrees of basketball? Hello? Can someone tell me the degrees of basketball? How many degrees? Angle.
50 degree.
50 degrees. Here? Rugby? What's the angle? 60. 60, right?
30.
30. 30 degrees, but 30 degrees, but students are 60. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 30 degrees here, 60 plus 100. What was the number of cricket? All right, I keep 100, right? Cricket. $120. Correct. 120 students plus 440 plus 100 students plus 60 students. To add this, you will get still 720. And write the value. Can you respond me fast? Yeah, 720 students are there. Correct. In this 720 students, 60 students are leaving. So there will be 660 students. So this 660 students are equal to this full. In this full pie chart, there are now 660 students. Right? 60 students didn't go for cricket. They permanently left the football. I'm telling to achievement as. Just think, they didn't go to cricket, they just left from the football and from the school and went 60 students. So earlier total was 720, current total was 660. So what's the new brick angle equal number? 660 students equal to 360 degrees, because the pie chart is representing a full circle, 360 degrees. After this, you can find, this is the brick. After that, you can find the angle of the cricket. But in this, the total number is not changing, right? They are just leaving to the cricket. So total number is not changing. So it is 60 students are going for the cricket. So cricket students are increased. The brick cost didn't change because total number is not changed. You can use the same brick here. If you solve, you will get the new angle of cricket is 90. It has increased from 60 to 90 because students increased. Understood? The first question. Understood? For now, don't write this. In the third question, this part will come. The total is changing part. For now, don't note this. This part you understood now? From 440 students, 60 students left and went to cricket. Cricket students from 120 plus 60, 180. It increased by 60 and 180 students per currently. And you don't know the angle, you put the number. By using the brick, you found the new angle. Understood now? I'll put a note below. Understood now? Can someone reply? Hello? Can someone reply? Green is good. Can you see the screen? Still the screen is blurred. Still the screen is blurred. Still the screen is blurred. Hello? Okay. So put a note here. Put a note below. This method can be used if only the total number is unchanged. So we can use this method only if the total number is unchanged. In this question, it is going to football from cricket only. They are not leaving the club, right? If they are not leaving the football from football, so the total number is not changing. That's why we can use this method. So you can put a note down. This method can be used if only the total number is unchanged. In the third question, the total number will change, and after I'll teach you if change the same step you done earlier are gonna do. Here this number only now you number only 180, angle only you found. Okay, we'll see the second question. Okay, the second question they are telling the pie chart illustrates the information on types of a groups of students preferred. Okay, so there's a pie chart. 4 groups. One is 90. One is 60 degrees. One is 70 degrees. One you don't. That is milk rice. This is pittu. This is roti. This is hoppers. The first question they are telling, find the angle represent milk rice. You don't know this. To find milk rice, first you should form a to find this. Hello, can you see the board? Hello? Hello, can you see the board now? Only you are there. Okay. So for the question, you can't use the brick. Why? The brick you don't have an angle or number, so you can't create a brick. So what should you do? In this, by this even you can see 70, 60, 90. Only this you need. So you got an idea that this is a full pie chart. So 360 degrees. This is a pie chart or a circle. Pie chart is a circle, right? This is a circle, 360 degrees equal. We can add, but to find the milk rice, you don't know that is plus. Or you can write milk rice even. Milk rice, you going to find this, and roti, that is 70 degrees plus pittu plus hoppers. For pittu you have 60 degrees, hoppers you have 90 degrees. So if you add this everything and take to the other side and minus, you will get the angle of milk rice. So 360 degrees is equal to milk rice plus 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 is 220. Yeah, 220 degrees. So if you send this 220 degrees to other side, you should minus 360 degrees minus 220 degrees milk rice. So milk rice is equal to how many? 140 degrees. Understood how we found this angle of milk rice? The full pie chart is equal to 360 degrees. We have every angle except milk rice. To find this, you should add everything, and if you take to the other side and minus, you get the angle of milk rice. Understood? For the pie chart, that is a circle 360 degrees, and if you add everything in minus this, you will get the angle of milk rice. The second question of this is if 45 students prefer Hoppers are 45 students. Okay, how many students were for the survey? They're asking the total number of students who were in the survey. This 360 degrees only they're asking. Is a 360, no? That total 360. So first we'll form a brick. Angle equal number. Okay. Before you didn't have a number to form a brick. Now you have a number. What is that? Hoppers 45 students. Now Hoppers you have a 90 degrees also. So this 90 degrees is equal to this 45 students. Correct? Now this is the brick. By using this brick only we are going to solve every questions. So if they say to find the how many total number of students attended this survey, total to find the total angle equal number. What is the angle you have? 300. Number only you should find x over angle, no? Below the angle even 90, below this number even 45. If you solve this, x equal 360 over 90. This 45 came to other side, that is multiplied by 45. So if you solve this one, it's 2, x equal 180. What you found? The number, then students. 185, 180 students. Understood how we got this? Understood? So, what is the important thing in a pie chart? If you saw a pie chart question, first thing what should you remember? We should create a brick, right? First you should see total, they have their given. Sometimes they'll give it. The total number of students or survey students in this pie chart is 700 students. So you should remember this total number of angle of this pie chart is 360 because it's a circle. So they are given 700. So by using this angle and number, we should create a brick here. You should that spark should come in your mind. So here we have the number and angle we formed. If you didn't get the total number of number only, you should search the other way. Like this question they gave, this part is 90 degrees and 45 students. Like that, after taking that, you should create a brick. So yeah, I hope you understood these two questions. Moving to the other part. The third question. Wait, we did write the total is. This is what? 140 degrees. Total is 180 students. Right and equal alphabet. Okay. The third question. The third question. They are telling how many students prefer milk rice. They are asking the number of students who prefer milk rice. So milk rice, obviously you know, angle equal number. The angle is you got 140 degrees. Number only they are asking, that is x. You had the brick, which is angle equal number 90 degrees equal 45. So to find this angle, you have 90 degrees. Number, you have 45. To solve this, x equal 140 over 90. Writing this as same. And 45, if you take the other side, multiply by 45. Now the x is alone. So if you solve this, 1 x equal 170 students. So milk rice is 70 students. Correct? So easy, right? Because you form the brick. Other questions are very easy. These are gonna contain like 2-3 marks, valuable marks. Just by one method of this brick method, you are gonna take 10 marks. Okay, fourth one. If 5 students who have selected roti change their food item to milk. Okay, roti to milk rice. Roti to milk rice. Roti, how many students roti? Roti, you don't know. 5 students change. Okay, you know, here -5. 5 students are going here. They are coming to here. 5 students are increasing. This is increasing, huh? You can say increasing. Here decreasing. Okay. What is the relationship between the number of students who prefer roti and the number of students who prefer pittu, not milk rice, pittu, pittu. They are not asking the relationship of these both. They are asking the relationship of roti and pittu. Okay. First, we find the number of roti. Right? Roti. So for roti, we have angle equal number. Roti, we have how many students? We don't know, that is x. For angle, we have 70 degrees. So we have the brick, which is 90, here number 45. The number angle, we got it here. So roti is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 70 or 90. To take this 45 other side, multiply. So if you solve this, roti is equal to 30 students. From this, it is minus how many students? 5 students. So current roti is 25. Students. Correct. Now what is happening for the pittu? We don't need to add this 70 plus 5 for this milk rice. If you want, we can add and keep. Now the milk rice is 70 students. We found milk rice is 70, right? So now current milk rice is 75 students. 25 students. Roti is 25 students. By 30, 5 students went where? For pittu. Pittu is how many students? You don't know. So for pittu also you should find. Pittu. Here also angle equal number. What is the angle? 60 equal x. Why you don't know? Number only you should find. Divided by, you should put the brick 90 degrees over 45. Now you should make the x alone 60 over 90 into 45. So if you cut here 1, here 2, here also, pittu also. How many students? This is, sorry, this is 35. If you divide 70 and 2, here 35. 35 minus 5 is 30 students. Sorry. 30 students. Here, if you divide, 60 divided by 2 is 30 students. Right? Are these 5 students went to pit 2? No, they went for milk rice. Milk rice only increases. Nothing won't change for pit 2. Now they ask in the relationship of Rotti and pit 2. This is Rotti, the current is 30 students. Pit 2 is 30 students. Correct? So what is the relationship? You can say, so pit 2, you can say, so number of students in pit 2 in pit 2 is equal, right? Both are equal to number of students in Rotti. In Rotti. In this, you can say not only number of students, you can also say the angle of pit 2 is equal to angle of Rotti. Understood? Okay. Note down this. You can because they are asking the relationship now. How angle also equal to of pit 2 and Rotti, and the number of students also is equal to pit 2 and Rotti. So this is the relationship. Okay. Screenshot this. I am going to erase. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to erase this. The 5th question. Now the pit 2 current is 30 students. Rotti also 30 students. Angle both are same. For here, milk rice, that is 75 students. Hoppers 45 students. It didn't change. Now if you add this also, you will get the same amount for 180 only, because plot is not changing, correct? Okay. The 5th one. The 5th one they are telling about. Now what's the new and the number of students who prefer milk rice? New angle and number. Number you have found, because you can just say milk rice equal 70 plus 5. 75 students. Right? From pit 2 only, from Rotti only, 5 students went to milk rice. The current of milk rice is 75 students. For Putti and Burma, so milk rice current is 75 students. You need to find the angle, right? You need to find the angle of this. To find the angle, same method, angle equal number, milk rice. No? You have the angle. No, that you should find, that is x. Number 75 students. You have the brick now, because the total number is not changed, right? So you can use the same brick. 90 over 45. So x equal 75 over 45 into 90. So if you cut this, you get the angle of milk rice as 150. From 140 degrees, it has increased 10 degrees, which is the current milk rice of angle is 150 degrees. I hope you all understood this. Someone reply me. Someone understand this? Everyone, did you all understand this? Okay. So, what is the main thing in a pie chart? You should construct the brick. In the brick, you can do a question easily. So, at 6 o'clock, let's do more questions. Before going for the 3rd question, I have an announcement. I am going to show you how to purchase things or see recordings in the web tutor. Can you see my screen? Can see my screen, right? So can you see first? If you're in the group, I are there, right? In the group, you all have a link web tutor. If you'll go there, you'll go for a page like this. Wait, slowly. You will go for a page like this. Wait, it's loading. Okay. This is the home page of web tutor. Then you can join for free. After you all sign in, you'll go for courses. Those will go for courses. If you go for courses, after signing, you will see my here max frequency distribution. If you all tap this, this is my next class, which is on next Saturday. So my plan is not to keep classes. So I thought of doing every main chapter. There are like 18 chapters in mathematics. With that 18 chapter thoroughly, you can get an A. So I thought of today we did pie chart. Next one is frequency distribution, which is a compulsory question in oral exam and your term test. You'll get, if you attend this, solid 10 marks. By practicing, you can get. And after this, you can purchase. You purchase, you can go to cart. It's just 750. And the main thing is you can have the access of seeing the recordings. You learn next week frequency distribution until your exams, you can have the recordings. Whenever you forget things, you can watch the recording for that part which you forgot and you can just recap. Until that, you have this access, just a one-time payment. So after that, you'll go here. You should fill the details here, and you should pay the slip. You should upload the payment receipt here. You should send the slip, and for the WhatsApp number, you can see here. Need help? Chat with us. You have you all are in the WhatsApp group, right? The WhatsApp group. You all have the web tutor number. You can send there also. You can send the slip there also, or here, and here also you should upload the receipt. And if you all upload it, you will get the access to join my class next week, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm going to teach the tips and tricks to get the full marks of frequency distribution, which is very easy and a compulsory question. And you all can have the recording for your until your exams. Okay, understood now everyone? How to sign this web tutor? How to handle this web tutor? Understood, right? How to purchase things? Well, understood, right? Everyone? Yeah. Okay. So I will continue, right? So I'll stop screen sharing. Okay, we'll continue. What is the third question about? Third question, you'll have the truth, right? The third question they are telling, the given pie chart represent the information gathered from school organization regarding 300 students. By reading this even, you know, they have given the total, but 300 students. So you in your mind, brick is coming, 360 degrees is equal to 300. So this is 90 degrees. This is 30 degrees. So 90 degrees is Facebook, FB. This is the main question. Huh? This is Viber. This is Instagram. Instagram, Insta. This is WhatsApp. WhatsApp. So how many students use Facebook? Okay. This total pie chart is equal to how many students? 300 students. So how many students use Facebook? To find that, you have the angle, right? To find the number, if you put also, you need a brick. So to see this question, obviously you need a brick. You should construct this. But they have not given anything two information, an angle and number, both to construct a brick, right? So Vibe also 30 degrees, have they given number? No. Instagram, they are not given the angle also, they have not given the number also. WhatsApp also, no angle, no number. FB, only the angle, no number. So you should make a brick, right? You don't need both the elements, angle and a number. But you have one thing, 300 students, which is equal to this total students, right? In this 300 students only, some amount of students are in Facebook, some amount of students using WhatsApp, some amount of students using Instagram, some amount of students using Viber. So this 300 students is equal to what? This everything, which is 360. Now we can construct the brick, right? Angle is 360 degrees because this is a full circle, and number is 300. So the brick is this. Now the first question, find the angle of. So how many students use Facebook? The number of Facebook. So FB angle equal number. You know the angle? Yeah, 90 degrees. Number only you should find X. So below this angle, even the angle value in the bridge 360 you should write, and the number also 300. Now just to make this X alone, you should solve 90 over 360. Now you should send the 300 other side. So if you solve this, you will get a value. So if you solve this, you will get a value of 75 students. If you solve this, you get a 75 students. Second question. If number of students who use Instagram is 4 times the number of students who use Viber, how many students use Instagram? Number of students who use Instagram is 4 times the number. So Insta is equal to Viber. Is that? No. 4 times the so 4 times the Viber is equal to Insta. Correct? So this Insta is equal to 4 times of this. So what is the Viber? Insta, you don't know. What is the Viber? Degrees. 30 degrees into 4 times. Correct? So that is 120 degrees. So Insta, how many degrees? Angle. Uh, 120 degrees. Correct? Now you have the angle of Insta. But what is the requirement? Are they asking the angle of Insta? No, they are asking how many students, number of students who using Insta. Now you have the angle of Insta. So use the brick. Insta equal angle equal number. What is the angle? 120. Number only you should find X. You put the brick 360 here, 300 here. So if you solve this, X is equal to 120 over 360 over 300. If you solve this, here 1, here 3, here 1, here 100 students. To solve this, you get 100 students. So how many students are using Instagram? 100 students. To find this angle, you should, they have given information that is 4 times the Viber. So Viber is 30, 30 into 4, 120 degrees is equal to Insta. By using one angle, because directly you can use the brick. For example, if you use Insta equal angle equal number. For Insta, have you have any angles? Now you find. Before finding this, did you have any angle? No. No. Without both, how can you put one value and put the brick and find? At least you need one to put the brick and find the other value. But here nothing. For that they gave information about Viber to find the angle. After that, you put the angle, you got the number of students who use Insta. Understood? Okay. Screenshot this. Okay. Same brick thing only. So this is 120 degrees. This is 100 students. So if you see the third question, what is the angle represents the number of students who use WhatsApp? They are asking the angle of this WhatsApp. Can you use the big formula? WhatsApp equal WhatsApp is equal to angle equal number. Can you write? You know the angle? No. You have the number? No. First of all, they are telling to find this angle only. So you should have a number to use the big formula, right? You don't have a number. No? So can you use the big thing here? No, you can't use this. So what is the other thing you can use? Can you see here? Every angle you have find. The missing thing is this. So can you say the total, which is 360 degrees, hundred and 20 degrees, Viber 30 degrees, Facebook 90 degrees. So here 360. So 360 equal same WhatsApp. WhatsApp is equal to 120 plus 30 is 50, 150, 150 plus 90 is 240 degrees. So if you send this other side, 360 minus 240. So 120 degrees is equal to WhatsApp. Did you understand? Are they asking the number of students in WhatsApp? No, they're asking the angle. So it should come in the degrees, angle meaning degrees. So after this, if they ask the number, directly if they ask find the number of students in WhatsApp also, you can't find. Why? You don't have the angle or number in the brick formula to use. So first you should find the angle. After this angle, you should take the brick and find the number of students. Or after this, you can directly say 100 students. How? 120 is equal to 100 students in Insta. This is also 120 degrees. So this is also 100 students scale you can take. But they ask the angle only from here. You have to put in the answer. So they can ask a question like this instead of the third question. What is the relationship of WhatsApp and Insta? To find the angle of 120 WhatsApp, so you can say the relationship of WhatsApp and Insta is equal because the number of students who use WhatsApp is equal to number of students who use Insta. Correct? You can say like that also if they ask a question. So this is the answer for the third one. Now the fourth one. If the students who use Facebook decided to use Viber, what is the angle of sector which represents the student who use Viber? They are telling from Facebook, everyone now decided to use Viber. Are they deleting the Facebook and going? No. Same people are coming to Viber. So this 90 degrees, correct? This 90 degrees is coming to this Viber. So you can say Viber's current angle. That is, they already had 30 degrees plus, now they are getting 90 degrees. Okay, the angle is 120 degrees, correct? After this angle, you can put to the brick. If you are a smart student, you can say this is 100 students. Right? You can say 120 students is Instagram, 120 degrees is equal to 100 students Instagram. But suppose 120 is 100 students. So 100, 100, 200. The remaining thing is this Viber only because Facebook is not there now. They have come for Viber. So 120 degrees, that is also equal to 100 students. You can tell. But in the question they have asked the angle of this. What is it? The angle of now current Viber. That is 30 plus 90, 120. Understood? So this was an easy question because they asking the angle, right? Not the number. So directly you can write the angle. Okay. The last one, which is an important one. If 50 students deleted Instagram, 50 students are deleting Instagram, they are trying to be good because they are like addicted to reels. Now they are started to stop using Instagram. So they have started they deleted Instagram. How many students? 50 students have deleted Instagram to focus on studies. What is the angle represent Instagram, WhatsApp and Viber? They are asking all the three in a pie chart. Represent in a new pie chart. Then they are asking you to draw a new pie chart. Okay, first we'll see. 50. How many students was in Instagram? 100 students, correct? Current before Insta 100. Current Insta 50, right? From this 100, if you minus 100 minus 50. If you minus this, you get this 50 students. Now 50 students. Current inside is 50 students. Okay. Before, what was the total number? 300 students. Now the total number is the brick was like this, right? This is the angle equal number 300, correct? So the brick was like this. Now the total number of students is 300. Huh? No, why? Because from Insta 50, they didn't go to Viber or WhatsApp or anything. They didn't go. They didn't just they didn't decide to change the application. They deleted, permanently deleted. So now they are not using anything. So what is the total number of students? Now the total is before total 300. Current total 250. Now the total is current total 250. Out 300 minus 50. Now the total is changing. Now, like previously I said, the total is changing, meaning can you use this brick? You can't. Why? This 360 degrees is not equal to 300 students. It is not equal. It is not equal. So what should you do? You should create a new brick. So angle equal number. This is 360 degrees. However, the angle won't reduce. Obviously, this is a circle. Angle only, the number is reducing by 250. Now this is a new new brick. Okay. Now we should find the angle of Insta, WhatsApp, Viber. Insta angle equal number. So what's the angle of Insta? Number of the angle of Insta you should find, that is x. Number of Insta is 50. Now can you put the old brick here, 360 and 300? No, why? The total number is x, so you should put the new brick, correct? So that is 360 over 250. So now you should make the x alone. You should solve this 50 over 250 into 360. If you solve this one, here 5, here 72. X equal 72 degrees. What is this x? Insta. So Insta is equal to 72 degrees. So what's that? Same thing. I don't know WhatsApp. WhatsApp. To find WhatsApp, you know, that is also angle equal number. What is the angle in WhatsApp? You don't know that, only you should find x. What is the number in WhatsApp? Did the number in WhatsApp change? No. Why? They didn't leave, they didn't delete. They are same as they are. So 100 students. Insta only it changed to 50 students, but here no. So again the brick 360 equal 250. We try to solve this 100 or 250 into 360. Correct? So if you solve this, 25 here, 1. Here 5, here 2, here 369. So if you solve this again, here 72, 72 into 2 is 144 degrees. So what's up is 144 degrees, Insta is 72 degrees. To find the, now what is the remaining? Only Viber. It's Facebook channel. No, all the Facebook people are in Viber. So you know WhatsApp is 100 students, Viber also 100 students. So both are equal. You can say Viber also 144 degrees. Correct? If you want to solvency, you get the same answer because in that case you are putting angle equal number, and for angle you put x. The same number is 100 only in Viber also. So you can say a new pie chart. So Viber, you can say Viber also equal to 144 degrees. 145 degrees because it's equal to WhatsApp. Now if you represent in a new pie chart, you know how our Insta will become a bit smaller. It will become like this, not 90 also. This is Insta 72 degrees. So this is, it's like same, right? WhatsApp. For this you get one mark for drawing this. To find this information, you get the other 4 marks. They'll give, like this question, they'll give 4 to 5 marks. So this is 144 degrees. This is Viber. Not Viber. Yeah, Viber. Facebook is not there. Understood how we got this question? It's a more advanced question. Most probably in exams they can ask like this. They have not asked, but it's in your syllabus. You better know. Understand? So if the total number is changed, you can't use the previous. You can't use the previous brick. You should brick. I mean, so you should create a new, construct a new brick. Correct? So in here even you can put a note down. You can put a note down. In case if the total number is changed, create a or construct the new brick. Construct a new brick by new information, or new data. By the new data information, then write this. Screenshot this. I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete. So if the total number is changed by the new information, you should create another brick. Understood? Okay. Last question for the day. Okay, can see the board now? Did you see, did you write the note I gave now? Was it visible, Umar? Was it visible? Put me a message. Put for co-host. Was it visible? A note I put now. Was it visible? Oh, that time also the board was blurred. Hello. Oh. Okay. I hope the board was clear that time. Okay, the last question for the day. The figure shows a pie chart including how the month income of a certain person was spent in a month. Okay, the amount spent on the month is food is twice the amount allocated for other expense. Okay. So this is a pie chart. This is 60. This is 30. This is 60 is for clothes. This 30 is for bank. This is food. This is other expense. Other. Okay. The amount spent on the food is twice the amount allocated for other expense. Then this is X mean other expense is X mean food is 2X, right? This is twice the other expense, right? So other expense you don't know. If this was 30, this twice the 30, 60 you can say. So you don't know, that's why it's X. So twice the other expense is 2X. Okay, this is the first information. Find the magnitude of the angle of the sector representing the other expense. They are asking what is X. How to find it? You have, can you make a brick? To make a brick, you need an angle and a number. First of all, they have not given a number to create angle and a number, a brick, right? So out of this, you know, clothes plus bank deposit plus other expenses plus food is equal to 360. This everything is 360 degrees. Circle that, it's a pie chart. So after that, clothes plus bank plus other, that all you should find, plus food. Clothes is 60 degrees, bank is 30 degrees, other is what? X is 2x. So 360 equal 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 degrees plus x plus 2x is 3x. So if you send the 90 other side, 360 minus 90, that is 3x. So 3x is equal to 270. If you make the now if you send the 3 that side, it is divided. Here 1 3. If you cut, x is equal to 90 degrees. So what is x? Other expense. If they ask find the angle of food means, so x is 90, food is 2x, like 2 into 90, 180. So this is other. It is a bit crooked only, they'll give you to confuse. It's not like 180, right? This is not like 180. Yeah, this is not like 90, right? It's too confused, sir. So yeah, first answer is 90 other expense. This is number. Okay, now we'll see the question number 2. This is 90 degrees. This is 90 into 2. 90 into 2. Because 2x, right? X you wrote 90. So this is 180 degrees. And to add everything. Second question. If the amount deposited in the bank is 8,000, find the amount spent on clothes. Okay. Now they are given a value. See, after seeing a value, see that can you construct a brick. So 8,000 is bank and angle also you have 30 degrees. So you can create a brick. Angle equal number. What is angle? 30 degrees. What is the value? 8,000. So angle equal number. 30 degrees equal 8,000. Correct. So if the amount deposited in the bank is 8,000, find the amount spent on clothes. They are asking this 60 degrees clothes. If this 30 degrees 8,000 and 60 degrees 16,000, you can say, but they will ask this method. So clothes, that also angle equal number. For clothes, you have the angle that is 60 degrees, or number you don't know, it's set. And below this angle, you should put the brick, angle 30 degrees, or number 8,000. If you solve this, x is equal 60 or 30 equal 8,000. Right, this 8,000 will come up, multiplication. I have to cut here 2, here 1. So it is equal. Cloth is equal 16,000 rupees. Understood? With the brick, see, we did 4 questions. Everything was easy with the brick. Just to copy paste this brick below this. Right? So 2 questions done. The third question. According to the pie chart given, find his monthly income. This is his monthly salary, right? Monthly income. So what is that element? Monthly income, correct? This is his full monthly income. This full monthly income. But full monthly income is full circle, right? This full monthly income, this circle, how many degrees? 360 degrees. So monthly income is angle equal number. You know the number? No, that only you should find. Angle is what? 360. With this 360, with this amount only they are spending for clothes, band, other and food. So now 360 degrees equal number you don't know x. Put the big 30, yeah, 8,000. If you simplify, x is equal, if you put the 8,000 under 360 over 330 into 8,000. If you solve this, you have 1. Here 12. 12 into 8 is 96. So his salary is rupees 96,000. What is his salary? 96,000. Understood? For each and every steps, they'll give marks. So 2-3 questions. You are done. The last question, which is the 4th question. Okay, I'll give seconds to screenshot this. I hope you all are writing. When I teach, when I explain, don't write, okay? Listen to it. After can write. See the 4 question also again and again the brick only. Main thing is I constructed the brick by the brick only. I saw it. We also write that. So yeah, I erase this. Okay. No screenshot, no. I said your screenshot, not because of to copy it later. I gave you because of you all can try it later. If you got any doubt in the middle, you can check your screenshot. Right? Just don't just see and write, then you will be like nothing won't go to it. It won't be permanent in your mind. However, you should revise this. Practice papers, past papers. Mainly, my opinion is this. You are practicing Western Province paper is very good, very much better because it's like Western Province are like super paper, not standard. If you give no thinking for you. Like past papers are like maybe after that, if you do Western Province, even past papers are like nothing. Consider that fourth question. Okay, consider that he would get the same salary next month also. What is getting? Same salary next month also. I think I erased the pie chart also. Wait a minute. This is food. And 30 degrees is equal to 8,000. Correct? Angle equal number. And the cloth is 60 degrees. So that is 16,000 cloth. Okay. This was considering that he would get the same salary next month. What was his salary? Salary 96,000. Correct. Same salary is getting 96,000. He deposited rupees 4,000 that is spent on clothes in the bank. According to this, find the angle which represents the amount deposited in the bank in a new pie chart. Okay. What was this? Now this is the next month. He got the salary 96,000. Correct. In this for clothes, how much should he spend for clothes? 16,000. But in this month, is he spending 16,000? No. He's spending 16,000. No. He's spending from 16,000, 4,000 less. Correct? So for food, 16,000 minus 4,000. Correct? Because he's from this, he's not spending. So for food, he's spending 12,000. But this 4,000 remaining, no? For whom he's spending? Huh? He is depositing in the bank. This is not other, sorry, this is bank. This is 8,000. So this from this next month, 96,000, 12,000 is spent on food. Not food, clothes. Correct? Sorry, clothes. From this clothes, 16,000 only. He would have spent the 16,000, but he's not spending 16,000, he's spending 4,000 less, which is 12,000. And the 4,000 he should have spent on costs, correct? But he's not spending in costs, he's depositing in the bank. He should, according to the past month salary, he should deposit in the bank how much? 8,000. Correct? But is he depositing 8,000? No, plus another 4,000. Which he should invest in the clothes only, he's investing here. Then the bank is also depositing 12,000. They can ask another question. What's the relationship between these both? But they are not asking that. According to the angle, find the according to this, find the angle which represent the amount deposited in the bank and give it in a new pie chart. Then we need to angle of this bank and give that in a pie chart. Okay, you see bank angle equal number. What is the angle here? You should find X number 12,000. Is it 8,000? No. The question even they get given 8,000. Same thing they'll answer the answer. No, right? So 12,000 is the correct. Find this angle. You should put the brick. Is the total number changing? From this only, yeah. Spend deposit in the bank from the clothes only. Are they telling? I am not they are not spending for the clothes 4,000. If they say like that, then the brick you should construct a new brick. But from this, only they are depositing. The total number is not changing. So you should not change the brick. Same brick you can use. In my point, I told if the total number only change only, you should construct new brick. Here no need because the road is empty. So 30 degrees. So x is equal to send the 30 other side. 12,000 over 8,000 into 30. Correct? That is 0. This 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 0, 1, 15. So what's the angle? 45 degrees. Correct? The angle of this is 45 degrees. The deposit rate is 45 degrees. Now, if you put this in a new pie chart, in a new pie chart, this is food 180. Is this changing? No, because nothing is happening between the food and others. Is the same as it is. Others. From clothes and bank only, bank deposit only is changing. Now the bank deposit is 45. Correct? Yeah. Now you know you should find this. They have not told you to find the amount angle of bank and the clothes. They didn't say that they have only said you to find only the bank. So the clothes you can just in your mind also you can see. You know this is 45 degrees. This is 180. This is 19. 270. 270 plus 45 is 350. 270. 350. So 350. So what is the remaining? 350 minus 360. Correct? That is 45. Or you can say like this also. Now bank is 12,000. That is how many degrees? 45 degrees. Bank is also 12,000. Cos is also 12,000. This 12,000 equal to 45 degrees means this 12,000 also should be equal to 45 degrees. Correct? If you minus and see also, you will get this 45. No other way also. See yours. They are not asking you to find this now separately. If they ask like that, for that they'll give 1 mark. They are not asking for this, they'll give a mark. For the new pie chart, they'll give another mark. Like for like 3 marks, they'll give. They will allocate it their wish. They will allocate it for their wish. Like maybe they can give this for 2 marks. Maybe this they can give for 2 marks. Like their wish. This is no. The seminar with the team. So they are telling about past paper. You can hear me now? They are telling about past paper. Past paper. In the tute, they have told you to try this past papers. In 2010, it has come the full 10 marks question. 2000 chapter 16 part 2 book. So in that, the combination of that time they are giving obviously 5 marks. If pie chart come means 5 marks for you. But if they didn't come means they'll give you a short question, 2 marks question. But this is a main chapter. Obviously come in the paper at least 2 marks question, maximum up to 12 marks question. Because sometimes they can give in the short question also, sometimes they can give in the main question also. Both also they can give. So that's it for the day. I hope you all understood this seminar. Goodbye everyone. And mainly I am the like this only. My class are like daily classes. I'm keeping every seminar. This 18 main chapter seminars. I'm keeping 18 main chapter seminars like 100% of this whatever the question written are easy tips like this. I'm going to teach you to get the full solid 10 marks. And my next class is on 21st, next Saturday. If I do it, it's a 3-hour session. It's about people's distribution. So big 10 marks, compulsory 10 marks. It will come 100% will come for the exam. That type of question. Get the access and if you get them, you can go and watch. So I hope you'll join that. If any doubt, you can contact the web tutor. Okay, see you. Goodbye, guys. Okay, goodbye.